In this video, I'm going to show you how to use shapes as frames on Canva. Now let's go to Apps on your sidebar and then then search for Frame Maker. The first one, this result, click that, and you'll be able to draw or create your own shapes. Just drag these points here, like that. Okay, so if you like that kind of shape, then let's add that to design. You can also just click on these. There are many designs here, many shapes. Looks like that arrow, that X. Maybe we can click on this. Add to design. So this is our shape now. Let's go to uploads. Click on whichever photo you'd like to put on that frame and just drag it onto that frame. And voila. That's about it. That's how you can use shapes as frames on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.